Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix no GPS signal on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and power saving and click on power saving. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off battery optimization. After turn off battery optimization, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on factory reset, erase all data, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.